Hello, wanted to share a quick accessibility tool you may find helpful. One of the ways that you can OCR, which is Optical Character Recognition, an old PDF or document, is by using Microsoft OneNote, which you should have access to. This is a feature that is available in Adobe Acrobat, but you can get to it in OneNote as well. If you take your problematic PDF, and you can drag and drop it from your file storage into OneNote. We'll give you an option to attach file or insert printout. We will do insert printout. You can then, you see my PDF is problematic. This PDF is currently an image. There's no metadata containing the actual characters in here. So what we'll need to do is run an optical character recognition. The way we'll do that is we will then right click, and you can see we've got copy text from all of the pages of the printout. You can then navigate to Microsoft Word, paste. This will still need significant remediation. There are some other issues here. There are probably some words missing. There's probably some formatting issues. We're going to need to do some headings. But you are able to get some text back out of there and make a document that would work. This, of course, was an extreme example. If you have a text that's a lot more clear and less of a smushed PDF made from a copier, this will work a lot better. Hope this helps. And as always, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to Teaching and Learning.